Good afternoon, friends. In before video, I just explained what is the section 7.1 supply includes. Now I'm going to tell you as per section 7.2 supply excludes activities or transactions specified in schedule 3. First you should understand what is the schedule 3. They only given here note activities specified in schedule 3, that is a negative list. Okay, the same whatever it is in the service tax. Who studied service tax or who are not studies, no, don't worry, no need to study also. So I will tell you what is the schedule 3, that is a negative list. Services by employee to employer in the course or in the relation in the employment. One employee working in the company, that is a relationship of employee to employer, that is not considered as a furtherance of business, because they will tell he is a just helper to the employer for running the business. So that is they kept in negative list. So first point, service by employee to employer in the course of or in relation to employment. Second, services by court or tribunal. Okay, almost obviously they have to maintain their dignity, so you cannot tell, oh, what is the court given service or supply. You should not tell like that. They may want to maintain their dignity, so services by court or tribunal, they kept in negative list. Services by member of parliament and others, obviously it is also they kept in negative list. Services by funeral or burial after death, this is a common sense, because after someone died and we are taking as a GST or something, it will very weird. So as per a common sense, they made as services by funeral and burial. They won't include in the GST. So this is one point. Sale of land and building. Sale of land and building in the GST, they kept in negative list. Second, actionable claim other than lottery, betting and gambling. Actionable claim also excludes from supply. Other than lottery, betting and gambling means lottery, betting and gambling includes supply. Okay, so again one more point they added as per section 7.3. If government want or GST council decided this is a supply of goods or not, or it is a supply of service or not, based on council they will decide what is the supply of goods or service. This is a section 7.3, subject to provision of subsection 1 and 2. The government may and the recommendation of the council specify by the notification the transaction that are to be treated as a supply of goods and not a supply of service. Supply of service and not a supply of goods, the council will decide these points. This will also includes in supply. Okay, second point. Okay, this is as per section 7.1 supply includes, as per section 7.2 supply excludes. Just please remember this, because the whole of this full GST will depend, because if you don't know what is supply includes or what is supply excludes, it will be difficult. So just study each and every point, and this is important. They are asking one point from this. Okay, so next we'll go supply made in the course of furtherance of business. Furtherance of business means related to business. Okay, first A point, in course of business, every person carries certain activities regularity for running the trade or commerce. Obviously some activities it will connect to the business, which transaction related to business, that is called a furtherance of business. Okay, one example they are given. CMA Ram, practicing cost accountant, carries out of activities of accounting, auditing, filing returns, certifying documents and so on so forth. These activities can be considered as performed in course of business. Obviously CMA Ram, he is a practicing cost accountant, so related to his business whatever the things will include accounting, auditing, filing, obviously it will be considered as in the course of business. Okay, what is in furtherance of business? Every business person who think how to develop his business or carrying out new activities, such activities called as furtherance of business. Obviously the same thing again and again it is repeating. the activities which is related to business called as in furtherance of business. Okay, point 2, it is very easy, you can read it just, but don't neglect any single point. They are asking from this kind of questions to the question paper. I will show you the question paper how they are drafted. Okay, next they told this also, just read it. GST essential, it is a commercial transaction, obviously GST is a business tax. Hence supply made by individual, if supply made to individual, it won't come in the GST, because GST is obviously is a business tax, it is not individual tax. Second one, section 7(1)(a) of CGST Act 2017, all forms of goods or services such as both, again they are telling the same thing, they are describing in detail, so just read it properly. And one point in this, what is meant by sale, okay, this is full, just read it, I will tell you what is the exact point. Sale does not include mortgage, hypothecation and charge or pledge. Okay, just remember, sale does not include mortgage, hypothecation, charge and pledge. In this is point also important, just remember this. In next video I will tell you third, fourth, fifth, it will go as per the next point. Okay, just remember, just don't neglect our module is important. And thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, that is a CMA Leaf, and please click on the button that is a bell icon, so you will get the notification of my new uploading videos. So thanks a lot, and thanks for supporting me. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.